If you ever think of changing your username on Instagram to something new, I'm here to help you. So what you want to do first is open your Instagram and go to your profile. Now, you can either change your username from the setting, from Account Center, but an easier way would be to tap on Edit Profile. And here, as you can see, you have the name and you have the username. So you can change your username to anything that you want. The only thing you need to pay attention to is that nobody should have taken it before. For example, I'm gonna type this and then done. And just like that, I changed my username to a new one. And sometimes you need to wait for 14 days until you can change it back or change it again. Why don't you guys leave me a comment and tell me if this was helpful?